So we're just here on the weekend doing an emergency repair. Previous day, a worker had drilled a hole through the wall and pierced the incoming conductors, creating a large arc flash that has damaged the meter base and the incoming lines. So it's beyond repair. We're going to do a meter base replacement, doing a permit with the ESA as well. Have everything repaired here so that we can get the customer reconnected with power.
So here on the back side of that meter base, we have to, where the hole is drilled through the 2-inch conduit feeding from the transformer off the street into the house, we have to do a repair here. So all of this mortar has to be all chipped out so that we can cut the pipe, do a repair.
So they hit the line side conductors, and this is the one that was cut through with the drill bit. Okay, we're all finished here. The meter base has been replaced. We re-terminated the load side connections and the utility company returned. Right now, this is a temporary power hookup from the neighbor's meter base. So the homeowner has power until the utility company is able to return. They're gonna dig up the ground and extend the wires up to the meter base. On the inside, we have repaired the conduit that they will be pulling their new wires in. We opened up the wall, repaired the conduit, filled it back with hydraulic cement and drywall. It's all good to go for the future.